You own a Canon or a Nikon? Sell them off and get yourself a Sony. Okay, jokes aside, or was it really a joke? Anyhow, point is, I'd like to see more mirrorless cameras recommended by professional photographers for those who are getting into photography, and mirrorless cameras considered by photographers when upgrading their existing bodies. I mean, we're talking about the present and the future of photography. At least that's how I see it. We're talking about so many technological, features and advances that improve our efficiency, especially when it comes to focus, when it comes to setting the exposure. You don't have to second guess yourself anymore. You don't have to chimp after every picture you take to ensure that your focus and your exposure are spot on. You have features like eye autofocus on most of the Sony cameras. We're talking about image stabilization on the sensor, so you no longer have to rely on buying expensive lenses which have image stabilization implemented. It's just confusing for me, the idea that, nowadays people who are getting into photography would be recommended a Canon 80D or the equivalent from Nikon, I believe Nikon 7000, maybe 300 or 200. Yet no one mentions any, say, Sony Alpha 6300 or Fujifilm or an Olympus. Even when it comes to video, it's, I think, a fact that most filmmakers are, focusing on the Panasonic GH5 and the Sony Alpha 7S2 at the moment. Yet, out in the market or out in in cafes and streets or even on the internet, people are still suggesting. As I said, Nikon Canon 80D or the Canon 5D Mark IV, which is ridiculous, in my opinion. Enough about my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Should mirrorless cameras be given the chance, or perhaps it's already there and I'm missing it? Is it just the culture I'm living in? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below and let me know if you agree or disagree with my opinion. Hope you have a great day and thank you for visiting my channel. Cheers.